Want to spice up your next holiday party? We'll show you how here on Muddy River Mixology Monday.
Cheers.
Welcome to another Muddy River Mixology Monday, where we introduce a new Muddy River rum cocktail each and every week. We're here at Muddy River Distillery, North Carolina's oldest legal rum distillery. I'm Justin. This is Robbie. Robbie, what kind of cocktail are we making today?
Well, Justin, today we're making a Muddy River Spooky Spiced Rum Punch, and we're going to do that inside of a pumpkin.
What?
Yep, it's going to be super fancy. So at your next Halloween party, you can really set out the wow factor. To make our Spooky Spiced Rum Punch, we're going to need the following items. For tools, we're going to need a knife to carve our pumpkin and slice our fruit. We're going to need a spoon to scoop out the guts of our pumpkin. We've got a spigot here that we're going to put into the pumpkin so that you can serve the drink directly from the pumpkin.
Don't worry, if you don't have a spigot, you can use a ladle, cups, whatever you have.
Yeah, but this is going to be super fun to use this. We actually bought this on Amazon. It comes with a little wallering tool to dig the hole and insert the spigot. We'll link the location for buying the spigot in the description below. We're going to use a spoon for stirring our drink. For our garnishes later, we're going to have a peeler, a melon baller, and some cocktail straws, or cocktail toothpicks. For ingredients, we're going to start with a pumpkin. We're also going to use our award-winning Muddy River Spiced Rum, Muddy River Distillery's best-selling rum. We're going to use fresh apple cider from Henderson Farms in Flat Rock, North Carolina. That's very important, using local ingredients, especially here in North Carolina. We're going to use oranges, apples, and a pear. So, to start by making this drink, we're going to start preparing our pumpkin. Alright, now that we've cleaned out the inside of our pumpkin, it's time to mark and place our spigot. So,
That'll give somebody an opportunity to tilt a pumpkin back and drink out of it, whatever's left.
pumpkin chunking is one thing, pumpkin chugging, that's another.
Or straw? Can you imagine? You just
Straw?
serve this with a couple straws, big punch bowl style.
Oh man, that's perfect for Halloween bachelorette parties and, and whatever else.
Dueling piano bars.
Now it's time to make the drink. We're going to make the drink directly in the pumpkin. So the first step, sorry, I know you just put Cody here.
Hey, get him back on.
The first step, let's load this thing with some dry ice.
Yeah. All right.
That's cool. All right, now I think simultaneously, if you'll pour the cider, I will pour the spiced rum. The ratio for spiced rum to cider, standard ratio would be 3-to-1, so 3 parts cider, 1 part spiced rum. For that, just a whole jug of one thing and a whole bottle of another.
Oh, look at that.
We don't know if this all fits, and we can't see inside of here.
It's a well thought out plan.
We really should do a little bit more research.
Should we see where we're at first?
Nah, just keep going. Worst case scenario, we gotta clean it up. Man, this pumpkin had plenty of room. All right.
Woo, boy! Look at that!
So now we've got our ingredients in there. We'll mix them together real quick. Oh yeah, we're full.
You gonna have room for the apples and stuff?
We'll find out. There's some oranges and some apples.
What about that pear?
So before we pour our drinks, we're going to make our super spooky spiced rum punch garnish. To do that, we're going to take our pear and peel some skin off of it so we just have the meat showing. Then we're going to take our melon baller.
I'm getting scared.
There you have it. So we put one of these on each of our mugs, trying to balance the blueberries. And then last but not least, it's time to pour and enjoy.
Probably put some dry ice in this glass. That'd be fun.
Yeah, you want to grab some dry ice for the glass?
I'm afraid I'd freeze my face.
That's for you.
I think so.
That spigot really works good.
I like it. I can't wait to see the rest of the things that we use this spigot for. Summertime watermelons.
Cantaloupes.
Cantaloupes.
What else?
That's good for me.
So there you have it, folks. The spiced rum, Spooky Muddy River Spiced Rum Punch.
Cheers,
Cheers.
Fred. That is cold and tasty.
Yeah.
Gosh, that's delicious.
Mm-hmm. I feel like it has a little pumpkin flavor.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Yeah, that's good.
That's delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Recipes for the cocktail will be in the description below. If you're interested in more Muddy River Distillery information, check us out on muddyriverdistillery.com for more info and tour schedules.
You can find our products in North Carolina ABC stores and South Carolina ABC stores. We're also for sale every Saturday during tours at 1, 2, and 3 at the distillery here in Belmont, North Carolina. For more information, check us out on muddyriverdistillery.com.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.